If you are trying to choose between Z Image Turbo and Flux for AI image generation, this video will help you understand the key differences in under 4 minutes. Both tools can create high quality AI images, but they target slightly different users. Let's compare them in terms of image quality, speed of use, customization, and overall value. What is Z Image Turbo? Z Image Turbo is an AI image generator designed to create images quickly with minimal setup. It focused on fast results and a simple user experience, making it a good option for beginners, marketers, and content creators who need images without spending much time on prompt engineering. The main selling point is speed and convenience. What is Flux? Flux is a newer AI image model developed by Black Forest Labs. It has gained a lot of attention for producing highly realistic images, excellent text rendering, and strong prompt understanding. Flux is often used by designers, artists, and advanced users who want more control and higher quality outputs. Image quality. When it comes to image quality, Flux generally has the advantage. It produces more realistic details, better lighting, and more accurate prompt interpretation. It also handles complex scenes and text inside images better than most AI image generators. Z Image Turbo can still generate impressive images, but its focus is more on fast generation rather than maximum image quality. Winner, Flux. Speed. This is where Z Image Turbo shines. Images are typically generated very quickly, making it ideal for users who need large numbers of images for social media posts, blogs, ads, or presentations. Flux can be slightly slower depending on the platform and settings being used. Winner, Z Image Turbo. Customization and control. Flux offers more creative control and generally responds better to detailed prompts. If you want specific camera angles, artistic styles, lighting effects, or complex compositions, Flux usually delivers more consistent results. Z Image Turbo focuses more on convenience than deep customization. Winner, Flux. Final verdict. Choose Z Image Turbo if you want fast image generation, if you are a beginner, if you need images for marketing, social media, or everyday content creation. Choose Flux if you want the highest image quality, if you need realistic images and better text rendering, if you want more creative control over your results. Overall, Flux is the better choice for image quality and advanced image generation, while Z Image Turbo is better for speed and simplicity. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if this comparison helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe for more AI tool comparisons, and see you in the next video.